In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and disable the full screen mode in the Chrome web browser. Full screen mode is really handy when you want to focus on a website, watch a video without distractions, or just make better use of your screen space. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to turn full screen on and off using a few simple methods, and I'll also share some small tips to help you avoid getting stuck in full screen by accident. First, make sure you have Google Chrome open on your computer and that a browser window is active. You can be on any website for this to work. Look at the top right corner of the Chrome window. You'll see a row of 3 icons: a dash, a square, and an X. The dash minimizes Chrome, the X closes it, and the square in the middle is the maximize or restore button. This is not full screen yet, but it's good to understand the difference. Maximize simply makes Chrome fill the desktop while still showing your taskbar or dock and the browser tabs and address bar. To enter true full screen mode in Chrome on most computers, the quickest way is to use a keyboard shortcut. On Windows and many Linux systems, press the F11 key on your keyboard. The browser window will expand to cover your entire screen. Your tabs, address bar, and even the operating system's taskbar will disappear, leaving only the website content visible. If you're using a Mac, the shortcut is a bit different. Click once on the Chrome window to make sure it's active, then press Ctrl, Command, and F together. Chrome will jump into full screen, hiding the menu bar and the dock so you can fully focus on the page or video you're viewing. While you're in full screen mode, you can still move your mouse to the very top edge of the screen to briefly reveal the tabs and address bar when you need them. This is useful if you want to switch to another site without leaving full screen completely. To exit full screen mode, simply repeat the same shortcut you used. On Windows or Linux, press F11 again. On a Mac, press Ctrl, Command, and F again. Chrome will return to its normal windowed state, bringing back your tabs, address bar, and the rest of your desktop. If you're watching a video inside a website and only the video is full screen, move your mouse and look for the full screen icon in the video player itself. Clicking that icon will toggle between full screen and normal view just for the video. And that's all you need to know to enable and disable full screen mode in the Chrome web browser.